Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Jonathan Golden with the Miami Blue Gt3Rs. I'm filming this vlog on the iPhone Pro 13 Pro Max. Let me know what your thoughts are down below on like how it looks. I'm getting used to it, but I wanted to test out this new cinematic mode that's like the best. But it looks cool. I mean, it looks cinematic, like it focuses on you and then blurs the background with like a lower F number, so like f2.8, and then that gives a blurred background effect. But anyways, good news, Christmas came early, and yeah, we're gonna be unboxing some modifications yet again. We're doing some more mods to the car. I think this is my final Rochambeau with this car. We had a few items left, so I'm gonna unbox them for you, and let's go see. So right now we are charging the car. Yeah, it's a hybrid. No, we're doing like a battery tender, and I've had good success with this one. This one is the C-Tech one. So it's like a Porsche brand. I believe they make it, or they make the other one for Porsche. So it's pretty good. It's held up pretty well. I mean, the battery hasn't died. I just got it, and I've had this one using a battery tender just from like, this was like from Pep Boys or something, and it's been pretty good. Speed charge. But it's just a maintainer battery tender. And yeah, I haven't bought a battery. And with the GT-R, I bought, my battery died, so I had to buy another battery. So I wanted to avoid that with, these battery tenders, since I only drive the car like once a month, or once a week. Sorry, not once a month. That one once a month, this one like once a week. All right, so we're gonna pop this open. Boom, boom, boom. What do we have in here? What do we have? And this has like a little cool quick disconnect. Pop that off. Carbon fiber underneath. And then here, yeah, we just plug it routes through underneath and connects to the terminals, and then you can clip it away and then kind of close it if you're driving. And Porsche made this factory cutout. Believe it or not, I did not do this. This is like, standard. And they know you're gonna charge it because you're not gonna drive it. But now to the good stuff. Left to right. I think we go with Dundon Motorsports. What do we got? What do we got? So we're gonna go with Dundon Motorsports first. Got some goodies for the car. Excited to try these out. They're a little bit different than the white Gt3Rs that I have, or the white GT3. We have the APR Canards on there. They're carbon fiber gloss, but I got the gloss dual Canard splitters. So instead of one Canard on each side, there's going to be two. I think it looks better. It was a little bit more racy, and from what I could tell, it's a little bit different. You can use the what are these? The double-sided tape for these. Instead of I drilled through the bumper, drilling through a $150,000 car bumper. It's not really a good idea, but we did it on that one. And then this one, thankfully, it's the double-sided tape. So I'm not too sure how well these hold up, but I'm gonna continue to take them out of the package. I want to see what I got, and I got there's two options here. You can get the satin or the gloss. I went with the gloss because I think it's gonna be better on the car. I mean, there's no really, the car in back there is like a satin, I believe, but I think gloss looks better. I don't want to mess anything up here. Maybe we'll just bring out two of them. This one side. Ho, 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 ho. These look sick. Look at these. I'll do a more detailed video here, maybe with it not mounted, but oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are a little bit slimmer than the APRs, but they look really cool. I'm really excited to put these on, and they feel like super light. I'm glad I went with the gloss because it looks nice and shiny. So we have two on each side. I could probably do this myself, but I don't want to install them. I don't trust myself. So here they are. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So there's 2 on each side. And let's get a little closer and get you a nice look at these and then see how they're gonna look on the car. But yeah, I don't trust myself doing anything anymore. The last thing I did was on the white GT3, I did the battery tender and stripped a bolt. That was dumb. All right, so here it is a little bit more in detail. This camera's pretty cool. If it could focus on it, maybe a better background. So it looks really nice. Nice and shiny. So here how they go. I think this is for the other side, but oh, it's actually for this side. So we go 2 here. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I believe it goes the other way because the bigger, yeah, it goes on the other side. The bigger side goes in the front and then the shorter side in the back. So this one actually goes on the other side. So we'd go like 1 here, 1 lower, and then 1 here, 1 higher. I mean, we can maybe try to do it. Let me see the instructions, but I think Danny's better with this stuff. I want to make sure I have the proper aerodynamics. Hell no. Hell no. No, I'm not doing it. All right, so moving along, let's get the other items out of the car. Here we are. Box number 1. We have the Smarty Cam HD edition, the Rev 2.1, the professional video recorder with data overlay for motorsports. Oh yeah, we're going F1, baby, F1. Yeah, so I think I'm at the point in my time in my career of just a average driver. Just want to get better and better and better, faster lap times. That's the goal here, and I think this is the next strategy that we're gonna do. Watching make sure this. Well, they gave me the wide angle lens, but I wanted the narrow lens. Oh no, okay, they did give me the right lens. Let me just backtrack. So the lens, there's 67 degrees, 84, and 120. The 67 is a little bit more narrow, so it's gonna show more, less in car and more outside. That's what we want. But anyways, I'm back. I want to get faster on the lap time. So this is one of the things that my buddy recommended Will on the track. He says get the AIM, the Smarty Cam system. That's going to help us track the data, plug it into the computer, get a coach, and see what really is going on with the pedals, the gas, the braking, and everything. Because when you get out there, you do 2-3 laps and you get a rhythm, and then you kind of do the same rhythm over and over and over again. But with the data, he stuck it in my car, and I've seen the data online, and just watching people progress. This is like the next step. So I'm super excited for this. I want to install it next week, and it's really cool. Like one of my friends has this too. Like you go on the track and it just starts recording. You don't have to hit the GoPro or, oh, I forgot to press record. It's just ready to go. It's just plug and play, really easy. And I just have to put a memory card, and then I can overlay the data. And for the viewers too, it's cool for you guys to see what's going on instead of me putting a GoPro and doing a lap and like, what's he doing? The gas, the brake is kind of hard to see online. Like, how fast am I really going? So this is really cool. The Smarty Cam AIM, it was on back order, so I ordered this about a month ago and finally got it. It is definitely not over. There's more to this video. We have the AIM Solo 2. So this is a GPS lap timer with ECU connection. So this is gonna actually help too. This is like a lap timer. It has like these green and red things here, RPM. Also gives you the lap time, I believe, yeah, lap timer. So you can see like your fastest lap or like your lap. And it also tells you like if you were faster in one quarter or the other. And this is what Danny at the track was saying as well. You can kind of figure out where you went faster, where you went slower, or if you messed up, be like, okay, it was that corner that I need to improve on. And like, this is gonna be my little cheat sheet. It's just nice to have the data, so I'm glad the technology is out there and I can get it. See what it looks like. Came with some stickers, that's cool. These videos are not sponsored, it's my own funding, but wow, looks cool. Looks really cool. Boom. We'll do a better video or a better close-up of it if you guys can see. AIM Solo 2. So that's going to be mounted in like the, if you're looking at the steering wheel, to the left of the steering wheel, like in the corner. So this is really cool. Doesn't add too much weight. And the AIM, let's open up that Smarty Cam. So here's the AIM Smarty Cam. No returns now. No going back. Making sure no one comes into the garage and my wife see what I ordered. This is the last of the project, I swear. I hope. There's always something. Oh, it comes with a memory card too, I think. Nice. That's useful. Oh, it came with a little memory card, like a 16 gigabyte memory card. Nice. And some cables. I'm not gonna install it. I'm a baby. I'm a gentleman driver, I guess. So yeah, here's the Smarty Cam thing. It's pretty cool. This is gonna mount in the back. That's why I got the roll bar. So that it's gonna mount on the roll bar. So you can get a little bit of a view of me, you know, the helmet, like a little bit of the helmet, a little bit of the hand, and then also, you know, of course, the outside and what's in front of me. So it's gonna be a cool little angle. And that's what they use for the motorsport racing. I think on IMSA and everything, they use these. So it's pretty cool. It's got the GPS and everything, and it's awesome. You just roll up to the track, thermal, wherever, and it automatically knows everything. So I'm super excited to try this out and play around with it. I'm completely new. I've never used this before. I just have friends that used it. So I have to get familiar with the data and the apps and everything. So, but definitely February 6th, we're going to Speed District in Buttonwillow. So definitely going to be trying this out in Speed District. I'm going for my fastest lap time. Hopefully I can get like a 150 or 149. In this, I hit a 152 in the white GT3. So definitely going for the fastest lap. The tires are still good. They might need some new ones soon, but I think one more day I can get a good little track day out of them. Okay guys, so here's like a little close-up of the AIM Smarty Cam system. It looks like a GoPro, pretty much a GoPro. It's got a little back. Pretty cool. I'm trying to get this camera working. There we go. And it's gonna go right in that middle there, that section here. So that's exciting. Or might have to mount it to the top and hang it down, like kind of like this one. There's like a top piece. I've never used that mount, but it came with the roll bar, so they might do something with that. And then here is the AIM Solo 2. Came with some stickers. This looks sweet. Very cool. I don't know how they mount it, but I'm sure they'll figure it out. It came with some mounting plates here and everything. So this plugs into the OBD, and that kind of sees what everything you're doing as far as gas, brake, everything. Pretty cool. And here's the mount. Awesome. Take you around here. So yeah, that's the lap timer goes right here. It's gonna be mounted right here. I think they mount it, you know, they might have to take this off, or I don't know what they're gonna do, but I've seen the wires run through here, and yeah, it's gonna be cool. And here's the roll bar. So now we're race ready. It might have been cheaper to get a cup car. I don't know. Hey guys, so I just forgot. The aim system came with a bunch of suction cups and mounts. There was like a UPS bag like lodged in the corner of the box, and it came with all these cool mounts here. So you have like a ball mount. I think that's what that ball mount was over there. So I might detach that ball mount that was in the white car and bring it over, but these look, these actually look better actually. So it's like metal and heavy duty mounts for the camera and everything. So pretty cool. So it comes with mounts. I was wondering how the hell they're gonna mount it. So check, we got it. All right guys, well that's all for now. Hope you guys have a good holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. The holiday season, so that was my gift to myself. Gonna install that next week. Super excited and really happy to get there on the track. Definitely not gonna install those Canards. I kind of took a look at the instructions and it's not gonna happen for me. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Hopefully it helps me generate some views so I can pay for this thing. No, I'm just kidding. I do this all for fun, and I love racing and motorsports and going to the track with friends and family. So I'm out, John the Golden. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.